He's the man.
He's the man.
He showed us he's the man.
He
showed us
guy.
he's the man.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you
what.
That guy saw the comments on media and he was like, abantu bekwade and stuff, something like that. Then he saw which now people are angry. Now people are furious. So what can he do?
So you think
he should listen to the people. He listened to people.
You think Hugo Bruce listens to you?
He did.
He
did listen.
Nomdiba, they must respect us, those guys.
Yeah, Umudiba nje na Umudiba noma angas respect yahlale nje esayidini is fine because Umudiba une bad decision making because right now honestly useva ngumbokazi
Umahopa, it doesn't have good decision making.
He's not clinical, but no one is better.
Yeah.
No one is better.
No
one is better. Urenas is good, but he's unable to create spaces for himself.
Remember, in that game, he doesn't have Umahopa over Nomfuke.
Yeah. We need Urenas.
Compare no Renas over Nomfuke.
Yeah, true.
How do you do that?
True.
How do you do that?
Renas one thing.
Renas begano Adams.
And Adam couldn't support.
Fagum Adam no Mahopa and you'll see.
Renas doesn't like hold up the play.
He's good
at making runs.
Yes, and then Mfuke Ushama pocket passes. Aya forward. Football is a game of tactics. If Botafogo managed to outsmart PSG, Mzansi would outsmart
South Korea.
Trust me on this one. It's a game of tactics.
He's Pope.
Football is a game of tactics.
By mistake. They don't call him Pope for no reason. This is why he's called Pope.
I'm gonna have to leave a successor after me.
Smooth.
I am the first Pope.
Yes.
Pope football. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you back to our new and analysis episode about our fellow boys, our fellow heroes. Amavikela Mbuso wethu.
Yeah.
The one abastresayo basijabulisa same time. Emotional roller coaster, but
feelings.
I have my team here. You know them. The one and the one. Speaking of the boys, Ice Bonito Msebenzi wabencomeka. Wonderful stuff.
They fought.
We were almost there.
They fought.
We were almost there.
They fought. And me, I said last episode, Hugo Bruce, people shouldn't turn against Hugo Bruce. He's the man.
He's the man.
He showed us he's the man.
He
showed us he's the man.
Me, I'm gonna tell you
what.
That guy saw the comments on media and he was like, abantu bekwade and stuff, something like that. Then he saw which now people are angry. Now people are furious. So what can he do?
So you think
he should listen to the people. He listened to people.
You think Hugo Bruce listens to you?
He did.
He
did listen. He did exactly what we wanted. Even the substitution, last time we talked, we said he was supposed to make changes straight at halftime. What did he do? He saw okay, we're not attacking from the middle and we need someone who's going to create chances from the middle because that team wasn't good with defender when you're coming at them direct.
Yeah.
And what did he do? Removed Adams because Adams couldn't take the ball to the front. Removed him, put on Fukeng.
So you think he listened to you? Nah, it was all part of the plan. Don't take credit away from Hugo Bruce.
No credit.
Hugo Bruce is the man.
What credit should you give him? Based on this World Cup, not before. Based on this World Cup.
But you have to take it as a whole.
Which credit? No, I'm talking. Okay, we did everything to qualify and stuff.
Based on the World Cup, you saw, first game was not our best game. Same with Portugal, they didn't have the best game. Same with so many teams. Same with Spain.
Remember those people.
The first game of the tournament, Spain dropped points. They didn't go for their coach.
But the thing is,
Portugal
they didn't lose.
Yes, but it happened.
That's why they didn't go
Argentina, 2022, they lost against Saudi Arabia.
No,
it happens.
I need Leon knew what he vele.
No, wait.
Happens.
Where is that into Kuruma Taban?
Which
Argentina lost. Did they use the worst team or they used their best team?
They lost using their best
team. Their best team lost.
Yeah.
Tina, our best team did not
was
even
outside.
play. Any difference? We could have.
Best team
It's easy to lose knowing what Mfukeng was there, we lost. Mang was there, we lost. It's good that way.
But
not Chubuti. We
just
know
like you see, even Portugal,
this boy was
the best team
change.
was on the field.
Yeah,
we lost.
That was the best team.
Well, at the best,
Portugal.
It's still the best team. It's still the same team that won. Still the best team.
But as I was saying, you plan accordingly as a coach, and Hugo Bruce wanted that game planned with a back five.
No,
it might not have been the best plan. Yeah, sure, it might not have, but he might have made a mistake.
I still say,
but he's still the coach. He's still allowed to make the mistake because he's the one that got. No, he's the one that got us there. How you can't say he's not allowed.
I still say Hugo Bruce, when he went for the first match, that guy didn't discuss with the team that tomorrow gonna use 3-5-2. That guy started that thing in the locker room. Was like, okay, today guys, I saw Mexico has this and this, so today we're gonna do this. We're gonna try to defend. We're gonna use this formation. Then Abomukwe and I were like,
accusations. But let's leave it
because how we play. Oh, you can't tell me that was planned. You can't tell that was practiced. It wasn't practiced. Yeah.
Okay, so
moving forward,
we have a serious game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
it decided, and it decided.
Before Mbuza the question, if a coach decides to change his mind that I want to continue coaching, are you suggesting we give him another contract or he's done?
No, he's done. It's okay. He took us to where we wanted to be, so it's fine.
Explain.
Who do you want taking over?
Answer the
question. No, I'll answer. Who do you want taking over?
No Pizzo. Explanation.
Pizzo. Mm-hmm. For me, is it done?
Is it done?
He's still traumatized.
Yeah, he wants to break Gomez. Why was it done? Was the first man?
Yeah. I mean, he has the right to continue. I'll say that he has earned the right to continue because
no explanation.
He's done a lot, way more than.
Chat will help us there.
No, but
you feel like you should continue if he changes his mind. Let me
say this, Buddha. Where we are, the thing is, people talk as if we are used to this. We are not used to this. We're not used to qualifying for the World Cup. We're not used to getting third at AFCON.
Yeah.
We're not used to challenging actually in AFCON and going through the knockout stages and challenging there, getting knocked out by Morocco in a very competitive game. That's not what we used to. People forget where we come from and they forget where Hugo Bruce took us from.
No, but we have seen that before.
Seen what?
Remember when Bruce Ashaya what do you call this? Morocco.
Yeah.
Morocco was the so-called best in that time.
Yeah.
When Imzans Ulocha got against Egypt then was in Morocco now.
Yeah.
It was the best. So it's not like it's something new.
No.
You cannot come and say
it is something new.
No.
When was the last time we qualified for World Cup?
2002.
You didn't qualify. Yeah, 2002. I thought you were gonna say 2010.
No, I know we didn't qualify.
Now states are changed. Isn't it changing? No.
Okay, let's.
Cape Verde wongayazi up until wayibona uAfcon qualify World Cup. Back then, they didn't even stand a chance.
And
now
there is a team but in Krakra. We didn't know about them, but that's because now they've extended.
Yeah.
Our Krakra, they now stand a chance to play. Iran, now they have players who can.
And the Italy is not there.
In New Zealand, mnabenyazi we rap. War cry. But no Sebajale World Cup. We understand things have changed now.
Where are you getting with this?
I'm trying to say things have changed. It is now
came with an advantage. He took advantage of the situation.
Yeah. Took advantage of the situation.
Yes.
Yeah. What?
So do you think if we were qualifying 4 teams in Africa, do you think South Africa will be part of that 5?
I mean, last time we were so close against Ghana. We only lost away.
Yeah,
to
we
Ghana.
we got
We were-
robbed.
we
Yeah,
were-
we got
yeah,
robbed.
we only
But
got
I'm
robbed.
saying,
We
do
were
you
this
think
close.
we were this time?
Yeah,
were we gonna
I'm
qualify?
begging Hugo Bruce to make it.
Okay, last time they were sure. Who was coaching?
Hugo
It
Bruce.
was Rico Bruce.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He was there.
exactly.
Almost.
But anyway,
Yeah,
I see
yeah.
you
Next
'cause
game,
since
South Korea. Next game. What do you see? Do you see us winning? What do you see, gents? What's
Mina, I see
happening?
Mboni double chance. Mboni double chance. I see a win.
Mboni
I see
The
a
last
win.
time.
I see a win and a draw.
Okay.
Oh, then
Okay.
we know you're not
It's a-
speaking.
because it's South Korea.
That means
It's a-
you see you lose and they win.
No.
Kile nto ayisho, ufaka
It's a
opposition.
At least,
No,
you know what's
that's
going to happen? It's either we win or we draw. Or
You see this, the reason why I'm saying that is South Korea is good with counter, ne? And from what I've seen, Mzansi, we are not bad at defending, but we make mistakes. Game my call.
yeah, yeah.
Game my call. It's Eddie Kala from the kickoff, first minute or second half.
We are not
because
okay.
we are clinical throughout the match, but we make mistakes. First minute of the match.
First 15 minutes of the game.
Yeah, we
we're
make
not-
mistakes.
not
So
bad.
if we are able to maintain in South
The first 20
Korea
minutes.
first 20 minutes, they are not beating us.
But
Mara,
did
let's
you
not-
notice
Imnandi,
ukuthi South Korea
Imzansi bamnandi. Like
they
Imzansi,
finish a game with a high note?
not we do that.
Exactly. So now it's a 50-50
Yeah,
kind of game.
that's why I said win or draw.
High win.
Yeah.
It's with that.
South Korea is threatened yasithumela ama-video abenza i-training.
Yay! Yay!
I've never seen such a training in my entire life. Hayi khona.
Amara.
Abotompo bakhahlela ibona.
Amara even
High
useless
corner.
against Mexico, so
Yeah.
They were not useless.
So,
If you watch that game, you will see what they were not useless.
I married South
Mexico
Korea.
it is panning over Zinho.
South Korea is too good, man. Like, they too tactical.
Yeah.
They are good. For us to win that game, we have to be perfect. And I don't think we'll be perfect.
we can be.
Umdawu must realize ukuthi
We need
we
it.
mean business.
We need
He's
it.
getting paid to be there. He's not going on a vacation. I know bekafuna ukuya estates for a vacation. Right now it's not a vacation. It's serious business.
They should think about Lama
Umdawu.
luxury gift abatholi if they can double.
Umdiba. Umdawu nomdiba, they must respect us, those guys.
Yeah, umudiba nje na
And
kwamele.
we're missing
Umudiba
Mukwege.
noma angasrespect yahlale nje esayidini is fine cause
And-
umdiba une bad decision making umudiba cause right now honestly usave ngumbokazi. Last time umdawu yenzeni last match? Do you remember him doing anything defensive?
He
He didn't do anything.
He's not.
And what happened to that guy?
Bekashaya double job umbokazi.
Umdawu,
Umdiba.
because he said
Bonke. Bonke. man.
Umdawu bet. Umdawu you can there are chances where you say umdawu ufikile wakhava wathwatha ibhola.
Yeah.
Umdiba yena nothing. Like
Yeah,
umdiba
yeah.
is not there.
No.
Umbona my tracker back and it doesn't reach.
Remember, we were once confident. Challenge Morocco sathi umdawu better
It was his time. Because on that competition he
He
was
is now
better.
letting us down.
And that competition
And
he
the
was
fact
better.
that ukuthi was Costa 3 times capitalize on one chance and and he thinks everything is fine. No, it's not fine. He's costing us. We need a Hakimi there. The one is some challenger waba
Lo
better
wabo
than
AFCON
Hakimi.
2022.
Yes, like who was
Yeah,
better
yeah.
than Hakimi?
2023 I mean.
There we were confident.
I mean, yeah,
But now
for us to challenge, everyone has to be in his level, and also missing Mokwena will be
Jesus.
missing,
So, but me now I can't
Who
have
do you replace him with? Adams.
no me now without Umkwena there Ustole playing alone. I feel like Ustole
Alone
is good.
Nah, man.
He has done it.
Mr. Sit.
I think it should be Stolen
Mr.
Adams.
Sit.
man.
Yeah, Ustole and Adam, but you know process of Ustole no number. You know that. And Adam might start outside.
Ish.
Because Mfukeng had a good second half. So there's no reason for Hugo Bruce to be like
me would say Adams Stole Mfukeng as a 10.
Yeah.
But then my boy on the left,
Maseko.
on the right, Maseko. Easy.
Yeah, after match I didn't see any negative comments about Maseko. Okay,
that guy is good.
He's okay.
But
he's okay.
Good.
He's okay because he was playing. Czech Republic is not really good defensive.
Yeah, that.
You also continue this. Is that side your boy then?
Then Apolis. Then obviously Mahopa. I think Mahopa in the 15 minutes that he played, he showed us more.
But remember, Mahopa. Don't forget this, ne? Same thing that we used with Pirates. There was a time where Umahopa was coming in as a substitute, banging every time. Kora lama golnyana anaw. Ubega Kora from second half angena as a substitute. Then we made a mistake and be like, okay, we're gonna start with Umahopa. He didn't deliver. He's a good as a super sub, not as a starting player.
But I'm stressing your decision making. Umahopa, it doesn't have good decision making.
He's not clinical, but no one is better. Yeah. No one is better.
No one is better.
Renas is good, but he's unable to create spaces for himself.
Remember, in that game, he doesn't Umahopa obeka nomfukeng.
Yeah. We need Renas.
Compare no Renas obenge nomfukeng.
Yeah, true.
How do you do that?
True.
How do you do that?
Renas one thing.
Renas begano Adams.
Adam couldn't support.
Fagum Adam no Mahopa and you'll see.
Mauro Renas doesn't like hold up the play.
He's good
at making runs.
Yes, and then Mfukeng ushama pocket passes. Aya forward.
Yeah.
He stands a chance to go that sharp.
So you think Renas over Mahopa?
Yes. Mahopa, we're not saying he shouldn't play, but start with Renas.
Cross deserves a chance. Cross deserves a chance.
Cross
deserves a chance.
Because when you
Cross deserves a chance.
Amara he won't. You know.
Yeah, he won't. You know when you're watching first half Bafana, if you check, Urenas, there is no ball that he lost in Yawen.
Yeah.
Every ball got the figure. It was either we fage Sfubeni, I fage Pansy, or we trapper, shield the defender, but no one is coming. So he had to look Emma side in, vice side in, and when it goes to the side, it goes back to the goalkeeper. Because we didn't have Umuntozo Shama pocket runner, it was 10. So if Bas have Fagum no Renas, something might happen.
Yeah. So you think our chances are good against South Korea? Do you see? Okay, actually, do you see us getting out of the group?
Oh, that's difficult.
Because we have to.
Among Spanish, I favor, yeah. But when you're talking about football-wise, it's kind of difficult.
So you think our end is rolling?
Yeah. So now we're becoming that Square Shabalala team that was before.
Football is a game of tactics.
Which goes back to this thing, do we think this team has a better chance than the one that we had before 2010?
But okay, before we get there, do you think we're getting out of the group, or do you think our road is ending now?
Football is a game of tactics. If Botafogo managed to outsmart PSG, Mzansi will outsmart
South Korea.
Trust me on this one. It's a game of tactics.
He's Pope.
Football is a game of tactics.
By mistake. They don't call him Pope for no reason. Is why he's called Pope.
I'm going to have to leave a successor after me.
Smoother.
I am the first Pope.
Yes.
Pop football. Poppy ball. I'm Poppy ball.
Are you crazy?
Poppy ball. There's pit ball, then there's Poppy ball.
It's tough. It's tough.
It is tough.
I think we're getting a draw with South Korea. Then that won't be good enough for us to advance to the knockout stage.
So you're saying they're coming back?
Yeah.
So Buffet, to take out your calculators.
Why couldn't you just say it? You know, like
and
they're
anyway,
coming back.
we must also fight for number 3. Hey?
That's what we're fighting for.
Yeah.
If we win.
So now,
But we have to win.
so now
because
we
if
have to be Team Mexico. Also, I mean, if Mexico beat Czech Republic and
Yeah.
we manage maybe to draw or to win,
to draw,
we
it's
need
not gonna work.
like if they beat Czech Republic and we draw, we are in.
No,
number
we're
three.
not.
We are.
We are not.
Czech Republic has 1 point, like us.
But other teams would like be more in like, what am I saying? Other teams would have more points than
Gandhi,
us.
how many teams are qualifying? Is it not 3 teams each group?
No.
Oh, so
There's the best of
the
the-
best.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Best of the-
Okay, that's gonna be tough. That's gonna be tough. So,
if
we
you have 2
definitely
points,
need a
it's
win.
not- yeah, we definitely need a win.
Oh,
But South Korea,
Pope has said it. Football is a game of tactics, game of mind games. We can
So-
outsmart them
yeah, we
for
can.
45
We can.
minutes.
If we can, yeah.
Then after that, we park the bus.
yeah,
We win the game.
Mina, like in
We are
the
fine.
Mishilo futhi ekuqaleni, if we don't concede for the first 20 minutes of
can,
each half,
yeah.
we can win the game.
I think
Because in Mzansi, like we have the same mentality as I know people will be like, in order to play professional, you need to have a different mindset from player lasekasi. But watching it is Kilala in Mzansi and play after playing ekasi,
Yeah.
we have the same mentality. We don't have a strong opponent. Unless if we're playing against people 11 layer where they are too high. In South Korea, it is good, but 11 layer is not at the same as France, Germany, England.
but-
So we stand a chance to compete with them. And we only need that competitiveness. We don't need to outsmart them. We need to compete. If they give us that space to compete now, we can be able to beat them.
But beating them, the thing is, what I saw against Czech also is we struggle with scoring goals. Man.
We struggle with creating chances.
we struggle,
We are
man.
able to go in front, but
yeah,
we
like
can't shoot.
everything is good, but the last
But
play,
last play, yeah,
we
last
struggled
play.
with that.
So
And I mean, we got luck with a penalty, sure.
And I think it's
But-
time coach Azame Umuremi, because Umuremi is that player. Is that player who he doesn't turn back without shooting.
Yeah.
My baggy pali, tight angle or not, because we need that person ozoba selfish.
Yeah.
Not umuntu ozolinda ukuthi abhekane nepali kuqala before athathe shot. We need a person ozoba ne mindset kambokazi but with a closer distance.
Yeah. And
Because umbokazi uyashoota.
Mahopa got the same thing as
No,
well.
Umahopa
You could have passed that chance.
No,
Pa.
I'll pass up. It was out of the option.
What do you mean it was-
Bongena player
Pass the ball, my
Bongena
friend.
player.
Pass the
pass the
ball.
ball into the net.
Pass the ball.
into the net.
Not into the net.
And Umahopa, remember wethu into engayisho ekuqaleni. Ama players wethu, they are different from ama players waphesheya. Ama players waphesheya, they get a different type of training. Umahopa uthole le bhola ngeweaker foot.
That
There
is
were
an excuse,
the
my
chances
friend.
of scoring that ball
that
ngeweaker.
is an
Maybe if
excuse.
bekashaye ngombhonzi.
Yeah.
But i-angle yena kade mengaka kade afuna
That is
ukuyilanda
an
ngayo.
excuse, boy.
Hayi, it was difficult.
That is an excuse, Lewis.